Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for stopping by. It's a pleasure to have your company. My name is Sylvia, and this week I am going to participate in National Sticker Day, which is going to be on the 13th, and I'm planning from the 10th to 16th of this month in my new mini happy planner, which is the Disney Princess. I've still got a lot of work to do to it. I've ordered some supplies and I'm waiting for those to arrive. Once they arrive, then I can show you what I've got. But in the meantime, I've not done anything to it. I'm leaving it until I get my supplies, and then I can start, reorganizing it as to how I want it. But anyway, I've decided to just choose this doll here, and she's from Fabulously Creative, with a coat and a pair of boots because it's still very chilly in London. And I've got the home body, me and my big ideas happy planner sticker book, and I'm going to try and incorporate some florals into that and whatever I find interesting in this book. I'm looking for sort of like blues or duck egg kind of thing to go with the doll and the coat and boots. So let's begin. Okay, this is nice. I like that. I like that. It says, home is where the heart is. And I'm a real home bod. I really am. So if I'll just put this on here because I like that, and I'll see where that takes me. But I'm not sure if I do like that. And okay, let's make a start. Alright, just have to start on and this is Celebrate. Put that in the middle there. See it? Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm finished. I love this. This is so pretty. It's simple and it's not cluttered. It's lovely. And this sticker says home is where the heart is. And then this one says celebrate. And this one says big plans. And this one says you got this. I'm really happy with that. I will just put these in. That's lovely. My channel does consist of hauls, DIYs, home improvements, crafting, and also some lifestyle videos. If you do like something, if you did like this video and you want to see more, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you soon. Bye.